You go to the phone shop looking at the new iPhones, then you're like, it's too expensive. I'm not gonna get that. It's too pricey. The next thing you know, you're going out with a new iPhone. This is the unboxing of the iPhone XS. Shall we? I guess we shall. Ooh, that's satisfaction. Inside the box will be your standard design by Apple in California, documentations helping you out with the new phone, SIM ejector tool, and Apple stickers. Looking in front of you, I have the 256GB model. It also comes in 64 or 512. The iPhone XS is rocking Apple's A12 7nm chip that will run 9 times faster than last year's A11 chip, with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. In the display department, the XS will have a 5.8-inch OLED display that will be similar to the 10 from last year. From my point of view, if you're using anything that is not the last year's iPhone 10, you'll be blown away. For starters, the organic LED display will be a welcome change that will improve not only battery life, the blacks, and the overall experience of the display. The XS and XS Max will also have a IP68 rating. To keep it simple, it's going to be splash, water and dust resistant, maximum depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes. Alright, so what's left in the box is going to be your Lightning earpods. What's Apple not doing this year is to include the Lightning to 3.5mm dongle. A lot of people are being bummed out about this, but for me, well, we know they're gonna do this. Apple's gonna be cheap. And we are having our wall charger as well, with the Lightning to USB-A cable as well. Alright, so back to the phone. When you have your old phone side by side with the new one, what's gonna happen is, because Apple has this software thingy-majiggy where you get to, you know, continue from the old iPhone, and it's just gonna authenticate. Just follow the prompts, pop in your passcode and your Apple ID. And one thing to note, what I realized is it's following the setup, like, you know, when you get a new Apple Watch. This is what I find. That little circle in the middle is just giving me that Apple Watch setup vibe. So if any one of you has an Apple Watch, you know, or you've already gone through the process of having an Apple Watch and setting it up, it's going to be the same process when you get that new phone. So Apple is going to this new setup direction. Personally, for me at this stage, I am excited to use the phone. It's going to be a bit of getting used to with the gestures and no fingerprint scanner and everything like that. But when you look at the plus side, you're gonna get an organic LED display, so you're getting more screen. I'm not a big fan for the Plus or the Max. I'm not such a big fan of that because it's too big on, you know, using one hand. I'm the sort of person who likes to use my device in one hand. Because for the plus size iPhones, like for example the iPhone 8 Plus, personally for me, it's gonna be hard to swipe down from the notifications and swipe up from the control center. Yeah, it's gonna be hard, and I can't imagine using the iPhone XS Max for that reasons, you know, because I'm very comfortable in the form factor of the iPhone 8. So I'm more than happy to upgrade to the 10 or the XS, but the XS Max is a lot of getting used to. Other than that though, for me, if you guys have the XS Max or the plus size iPhones, I have no problem with that. Different people have different perspective and they are free to use whatever phone they want. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Like, tell me what phone you're using and are you happy, or what kind of problems you're facing with the plus size phones. The benefit of having a plus size phone is obviously that real estate, watching and consuming media, browsing the web, going for emails and stuff like that. You have more space to play with. Not to mention battery life will be better than the normal size phones. Other than that, one-handed use is going to be a nightmare personally for me. Alright, so the iPhone XS, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed my version of the unboxing. Subscribe for more. This is Faris, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.